Okay, I've got my rough draft right here and I've worked on it. Now I want to show what I do when I'm working on my rough draft. I've done some writing, but so when you're writing, hopefully you're writing and marking as you go. But I would like to mark with you. My first sentence I'm going to start with is favorite birthday, and this is my intro. I love birthdays. That's going to be my red sentence. And then I've had so many, but one was my favorite was when I turned 40. That's my next red sentence because that is really introducing the topic. Our next sentence is green, and notice that it comes right after the red. This is the details where I talk about the activities. I slept in, and then after that, I add details. My family came for dinner, fun dinner. I also went hiking with my husband. So I'm telling about my activities that I did for my birthday. Next, I look at my thing and I'm going to talk about presents. And because of that, this is a new idea. Our main idea is going to be presents. And so I'm taking my fingers, I'm putting them down, and I'm going to bump this in. This is called indenting. I'm indenting it 2 spaces, and I'm going to begin with my green sentence, which I wrote. Later, my family showered me with presents. That's my main idea, and each of my details is going to talk about presents. The best one was from my little sister Tana. She went to 5 bakeries and bought me every kind of dessert imaginable. She then cut up everything into sample sizes. By the way, she knows I love Costco. I tried creme brulee, chocolate mousse cake, berry pastries, cheesecake, and many other treats. It was so fun. That's another blue detail. And then I'm going to end it with, this is why I love birthdays, and I'm going to make my bow sentence purple. And that is my rough draft. But one thing that I want you to note is when you start it, you begin to send 2 paragraphs in. When for each paragraph, you begin 2 fingers in. So we begin our paragraph on the red sentence and we begin our paragraph on the green sentence because these are 2 different topics. Another thing to note is I'm skipping lines, and right after my red sentence, I follow it with a yellow sentence, followed by an orange sentence, followed by a yellow. And then when I get to my green, I bump it in 2, and then I have my green sentence, and I immediately follow it with my blue, and then the next 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 blue, until I get to the end where I finish off with my bow sentence. And there you have it on your rough draft. I wish you well.